So let's get started, everyone. And here we have Stakes 2024 winners. And the first category we have Use Case in Technique. Gold, category Best Use of Content Marketing. Agency PR Professionals, brand DLF Limited, campaign DLF Arbor, the Pathan of Indian real estate. I request Mr. Abhishek Roy, please join us on stage and give the award to our winners. Artists, congratulations. Please join us. PR Professionals, Agency PR Professionals, artists, congratulations. Whoa. Next we have Gold again, category Best Use of Digital. Brand Volvo Group India Private Limited, campaign Digital Information Boards. Huge round of applause, everyone. Category Best Use of Influencers. Agency Brand Talk Communications. Brand Courtyard by Marriott Aravali Resort. Campaign First Anniversary Celebration. Huge round of applause, everyone. Come on. Moving ahead with the next, we have Silver, category Best Use of Influencers. Agency Kaizen. Brand Fab India, campaign Fab India Festival Collection. Thank you. Next we have Gold, category Best Use of Influencers. Agency Brand Talk Communications. Brand Lux Salon, campaign celebrating 35 years of Lux Salon. Congratulations. They are not here. Next we have Bronze, category Best Use of Integrated Mediums. Agency Perfect Relations. Brand JPure by Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited. Agency Perfect Relations. Campaign Reclaim Your Roots. Congratulations. Next we have bronze category best use of integrated mediums, brand Bajaj Allianz General Insurance campaign GEO expansion, taking insurance to the last mile. Well done. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Next we have silver category best use of integrated mediums, agency Toot Consult, brand Minimalist campaign Hide Nothing by Minimalist. Can we have the winners on stage? They're not here. They're not here. Next we have silver category best use of integrated mediums, agency Actimedia PR and digital, brand Ariel detergent, campaign Ariel share the load. Again, they are not here. Next we have gold category best use of integrated mediums, agency Actimedia PR and digital, brand Blackberries, campaign Blackberries ceremonial partner for Paralympics. They are not here. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. Thank you for being here with us. Next we have, I kindly request Apeksha Mishra, please join us on stage. So we have bronze category best use of social media, agency PR professionals, brand Jindal Stainless Limited, campaign JSL Women Who Weld Change. Heartiest congratulations to PR professionals. Next we have silver, best use of social media, agency Kaizen, brand Park Plus, campaign Make Guru Gram Road Safe. Next we have gold category best use of social media, agency SPRD Stories PR Digital, brand Times Fashion Week, campaign Beyond the Runway. I guess they are not here. Next we have bronze category. Okay, they are here. Okay. slot, we have bronze, best use of influencers, agency, brand talk communications. Courtyard by Marriott, Aravali Resort. First anniversary celebration. Please join us on stage. Congratulations, thank you. Next we have gold, best use of influencers, agency brand talk communications, brand Look Salon. Campaign celebrating 35 years of Look Salon. Next we have bronze category best use of storytelling, agency Rudderfin India, brand Canon. Campaign redefining perspectives. Congratulations. Next we have bronze category best use of storytelling, agency Jajabor brand consultancy, brand Biba. Congratulations. Next we have silver category best use of storytelling, brand Anil Agrawal Foundation. Campaign Khana Khaya Kya. Silver. Best use of storytelling, brand Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited. Campaign ABFRL in Touch internal newsletter. Next we have gold category best use of storytelling, agency PR professionals, brand DLF Limited, campaign DLF Arbor, the Pathan of Indian real estate. Agency PR professionals, gold. Congratulations. Next we have silver, category best use of tech analytics, agency Concept BIU, brand Niva Bupa. Campaign Niva Bupa's Reassure 2.0 revolutionized the Indian health insurance. Gold category best use of tech analytics, agency Concept BIU, brand Tata Motors, campaign Tata EV, move with meaning. ma'am, for joining us here today. Next, we have, I kindly request Madhurima Bhatia, ma'am, please join us over here. Moving ahead, we have bronze category corporate branding, agency Kaizen, brand adverb, campaign Make in India for the world. Next we have silver category corporate branding agency Kaizen. Once again everyone, brand Shalimar Paints, campaign Painting with Legacy. Next we have gold category corporate branding agency PR professionals, brand Jindal Stainless Limited, campaign JLS commitment at COP28. Congratulations. Next we have silver category experiential PR agency Brand Talk Communications, brand Flying Machine, campaign Ori Flying Machine. Agency PR professional, brand PVR Cinemas, campaign India's first standard 1 IMAX at PVR Priya. Congratulations. Next we have Congratulations. Next we have bronze category not-for-profit agency Actimedia PR and Digital, brand Kashish Pride Film Festival. Okay. Campaign Unfurl Your Pride. Okay, they are not here. Next we have silver category not-for-profit agency Dharma Media Consultants, brand Winpy, campaign Together We Win. Silver. Congratulations. Next we have gold category not-for-profit agency Kaizen, brand Access to Nutrition Initiative, campaign Transforming Markets for Better Nutrition. Next we have gold category, once again not-for-profit agency Dharma Media Consultants, brand Maker Bhavan Foundation, campaign A Million Makers. Congratulations. Next we have silver category Public Affairs agency PR Professionals, brand Bihar School Examination Board, campaign Strengthening the Future. Gold category Public Affairs Agency PR Professional Brand Bihar Business Connect 2023 Department of Industries Campaign Bihar Hatiyar. Thank you campaign Bihar Hatiyar. और इसी के साथ next we have bronze category Public Awareness Brand Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Campaign addressing the missing middle with health insurance. Congratulations. Next we have silver category Public Awareness Agency Comms Credible Brand Comms Credible Campaign Inclusion Matters. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Next we have gold category Public Awareness Brand HDFC Argo General Insurance Company Limited Campaign Insurance Awareness Award Junior Quiz 2024. Okay, I guess they are not here. Okay. Congratulations. Next we have bronze category Reputation Management Agency PR Professionals Brand Bihar Business Connect 2023 Department of Industries Campaign Bihar Hai Tayar. Well, heartfelt congratulations. Moving ahead, everyone, with the next silver category Reputation Management Agency Dharma Media Consultants Brand Indian Venture and Alternate Capital Association Campaign Reputation Revamp Navigating Crisis Building Trust. Congratulations. Next we have silver category Reputation Management Agency PR Professionals Brand Oyo Campaign Oyo for All. Everyone, next we have gold category Reputation Management Agency Kaizen PR Brand Coin Switch Campaign Making Money Equal for All. Congratulations. Next we have gold category Reputation Management Agency PR Professionals Brand Bajaj Finserv Campaign Resilience and Rebuilding Bajaj Finserv Strategic Crisis Management. Congratulations. Next we have use case in sectors. And thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot for being here. Thank you. Next, I request Mr. Anup Sharma, please join us on stage. Mr. Anup Sharma. Moving ahead, we have silver category automobile agency Kaizen brand Rolls-Royce. Moving ahead, next we have gold agency Rutherford India brand JSWMG motor campaign making India EV ready. Thank you so much. Next we have gold category corporate social responsibility agency PR professionals brand Jindal Stainless Limited campaign JSL Meenu Mohanta women who weld change. Congratulations. Next we have silver category food and beverage agency ADG Craft Communications. Brand CSB Chai Sutta Bar campaign the Kulhar Man of India. Okay, moving ahead, next we have gold category food and beverage agency Nucleus PR brand Iron Hill India campaign united by craft. Congratulations. Congratulations. Next we have bronze category finance fintech brand One MobiQuick Systems Limited campaign launch of Pocket UPI. Okay, they are not here. Next we have silver category finance fintech brand PolicyBazaar.com campaign term insurance for women. Congratulations, thank you. Next we have silver category finance fintech brand IDFC First Bank campaign more from your bank 2.0. Congratulations. Next we have gold category finance fintech brand Bajaj Allianz General Insurance campaign geo expansion taking insurance to the last mile. Congratulations. category finance fintech and brand basic home loan campaign Swayam Ghar. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us here today. Next, I request Mr. Nikhil Bhardwaj, please join us over here. Mr. Nikhil Bhardwaj. Okay, we have bronze category healthcare agency Concept Public Relations India brand Manipal Health Enterprise Private Limited campaign Royal Challengers of Bangalore. Congratulations. Next we have silver category healthcare agency Kaizen PR brand Birla Fertility and IVF campaign making compassionate reproductive care accessible to India. और तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए everyone, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, come on. Category healthcare agency Dharma Media Consultants brand Sukino Healthcare Solutions campaign Care Reimagined from Bed to Better. We have gold category e-commerce D2C agency Intellectu brand Sirona Hygiene campaign Just Have the Bloody Conversation. Next we have bronze category education edutech agency Saints Art brand Centurion University campaign skilled workforce for the industry. Taaliyan, 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 come on. अभी snacks और drinks break था. Where is the energy? Come on, everyone! Next we have bronze category education edutech agency ADG Craft Communications brand Curious JR acquired by Physics Wala campaign The Kiss campaign. ADG Craft Communications. Congratulations. Thank you. Next we have silver category education edutech agency Kaizen brand Enterprise Ireland Education in Ireland campaign Study Emerald Eisel. Okay, next we have gold category education edutech agency Rudolphin India brand education New Zealand campaign Why New Zealand. Next we have category FMCG. Agency Actimedia PR and Digital. Brand Tide India. Campaign Tide hai Asli SRK. They're not here. Okay. Next we have Gold category FMCG. Agency Actimedia PR and Digital. Brand Ariel Detergent. Ariel Share the Load. They're again not here. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for being here with us. Next, I request Nidhi Gulati. Please join us. Miss Nidhi Gulati, please join us on stage. Bronze category Lifestyle. Agency Kaizen. Brand Solitario. Come on. Congratulations. Congratulations. Next we have Silver category Lifestyle. Agency ADG Craft Communications. Brand Q by Shikhar Dhawan. Campaign क्यों आ रहा है? Congratulations. Thank you. Next we have Gold category Lifestyle. Agency Actimedia PR and Digital. Brand US Polo. Campaign Legends Forever Play Together. They're not here? Okay. Next we have Gold category Luxury Wellness. Agency Concept Public Relations India. Brand Magniflex India Polyflex. Campaign Invest in Your Sleep. All of you, please don't go. We will going to have a group picture at the end. Next we have Bronze category Public Sector. Agency PR Professionals. Brand PFRDA Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority. Campaign PFRDA Info Plus. Next we have Silver category Public Sector. Agency Dharma Media Consultants. Brand Indian Venture and Alternate Capital Association. Campaign Blazing the PR Trail, a case study on IVCA. Category Public Sector. Agency Concept Public Relations India. Brand Canara Bank. Campaign Transforming Public Perception, the PSU Bank Story. Bronze category Real Estate. Agency ADG Craft Communications. Brand Air Brick Infra. Campaign Designing Tomorrow powered by AI. Congratulations. Next we have Silver category real estate agency The Right PR brand RPS Group campaign living the RPS dream. Next we have Gold category real estate agency PR professionals brand Signature Global campaign elevating from affordable housing to luxe living. Congratulations. Next we have Bronze category sports online gaming agency PR professionals brand Divyang Cricket Control Board of India campaign Divyang Cricket, the true spirit of India. Congratulations. Next we have Silver category sports agency PR professionals. Next we have Silver category sports agency PR professionals brand E-Gaming Federation campaign establishing EGF as unified body of Indian gaming industry. Congratulations. Next we have Gold category sports online gaming agency Kaizen brand All India Gaming Federation campaign leading the charge elevating India's skill gaming industry. Congratulations. Next we have Bronze category startups agency Dharma Media Consultants brand iSystem and campaign Frontiers of Hope. iStems revolutionizing cell therapy. STEM. Congratulations. Next we have Silver category startups agency Kaizen brand Park Plus. Campaign Make Gurugram Road Safe. Category startups agency Jajabot brand consultancy private limited brand J Aerospace campaign Accent pioneering India's aerospace future. Congratulations. Next we have Gold category travel and tourism agency Actimedia PR and digital brand Switzerland tourism campaign Need Switzerland. I need Switzerland. Not here. Next we have Bronze category technology and IT agency Kaizen brand ANSR campaign tech transformation and talent insights and AI tool trained over the 20-year ANSR experience. much. Next we have silver category technology and IT. Agency Kaizen, brand Clean Technologies campaign, driving innovation in Bangalore. We have gold category technology and IT. Agency Kaizen, brand Adverb, campaign building future ready warehouses for the globe. Congratulations. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for being here with us. Thank you. Now I request Rahul sir, please join us on stage. And now we will move ahead with individual recognition. So winner, category Corporate Communications Professional of the Year, age 40 plus. And the name is Janet Roll, brand Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited. Not here. Okay, next we have category Agency Head of the Year. Name, we have Abhinay Kumar Singh. Congratulations, ADG Craft Communications. Thank you. Next, category Agency Head of the Year. And the winner is Neha Agarwal, Agency Percept Profile. Now we have agency recognition. Category Fastest Growing PR Agency of the Year. And the winner is Brand Talk Communications. Category Most Promising New Agency of the Year, launched between 2021 to 2022. And the winner is The Right PR. Talia, Talia, come on. Most Promising New Agency of the Year, launched between 2021 and 2022. Agency iHorizon Communications. Okay, next we have category PR Agency of the Year, small, and it goes to Dharma Media Consultants. Can we have huge round applause for them? year. Mid turnover between 5.1 to 14.9 CR. Any guesses? Which agency? Any guesses? Come on. Come on, let's check. Let's give a wild guess. Come on. Okay, it goes to, the winner is Veritas Reputation PR Private Limited. Come on, everyone, give a huge round of applause. Not here. Next, we have category PR Agency of the Year, large turnover of 15 CR and above. And it goes to, any guesses? 15 CR and above. And the winner is PR Professionals! Heartiest congratulations! Thanks a lot. And I kindly request all the winners, please join us on stage for a group picture. And also would like to thank all our sponsors. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our presenting sponsor, Actimedia, PR and Digital, for their incredible support in making Stace a resounding success. Thank you so much to all our sponsors. Thanks a lot. Thank you.